What's up, y'all, and thank you guys so much for tuning in to another video of As Always Aleia, where we always keep it real. Now, if you are someone who is buying a lot of clothes but seems to not have any outfits, then this video is definitely for you. I am going on vacation in a few days, and I want to show you guys how to shop for outfits and not clothes. I also made some SHEIN purchases, so we're going to be reviewing SHEIN clothes, try on haul for curvy and thick girls, and we're also going to be packing as well. I have this really cool thing that I purchased off Amazon. It's going to make packing so much better by organizing your outfits. Make sure you guys stay tuned throughout this entire video because we have so much to review. Okay, so like I said, I don't know about you, but when I shop for clothes. I just kind of go through SHEIN or Fashion Nova or whatever website, and I just shop until I try to find something that's affordable and in my budget, and something that will look comfortable and cute on me as well. And that's normally how I shop, and I usually spend a couple $100s, maybe like 3 or 4 times a year. I'll do like a big shopping haul. I find out over the years that I really don't have a lot of outfits, and that's because I'm not shopping correctly. I'm shopping for clothes that I like instead of shopping for outfits. So this is the first time that I actually shopped for outfits, and I want to show you guys how I did that. I had to use Canva. I created a whole mood board, all that stuff. So let's go ahead and dive onto my computer so I can show you guys how to shop smarter, save money, and shop for outfits and not clothes. All right, let's do it. All right, y'all, so we're gonna go ahead and open up Canva. Now, I already created like a mood board for myself of outfits that I wanted. These are not only outfits that are like inspirational, but I purchased these items already, and we'll be reviewing them later in the video. What I like to do is go on to SHEIN and find one article of clothing that inspires me, and then I build an outfit around that. Another thing that I really like about Canva is once you actually cut out the photos and put them into Canva, you can link the photo. So I can just click on the picture of the hat, and then it'll ask me if I want to leave Canva. I'll say yes, and then I will be at the picture of the hat that I purchased and was looking at. So I think that when you guys are shopping, create a mood board, and you can also link your outfits. All you have to do in order to link it is just select the outfit, hit the 3 dots, and there's a link button right there. You can put the link to the article of clothing that you're looking at. Okay, so let's go ahead and go back into SHEIN. Okay, so let's go ahead and go back into SHEIN's homepage, and I'm going to show you guys how I like to make an outfit. So it depends on what I'm shopping for, but like I said, I'm going on vacation, so I was really looking for some cute vacation outfits. I am going to be with my man, so I want to look really nice and really cute. So I think that this outfit right here looks really pretty, this little green top and bottom. I do see that they have my size. I either get an extra large or a large. I like to be comfortable. I don't want nothing to be too tight. Screenshot this picture of this lady in this outfit, and that's going to be one of the photos that go over into Canva, and I'm going to add this to my cart. Okay, so after you screenshot it, I'm going to go ahead and duplicate the page, because what I'm going to do now is I'm going to build an entire look around this outfit. So I have 2 of the same things here. I'm going to go into the second tab, and I'm going to type in lime green bag, and I'll show you guys why we duplicated the page in a second. So now all the bags are popping up. I don't really know which color I'm looking for. That is why I duplicated it. Now I can go back and pretty much color match. And I think that, I don't know, this one looks fine to me. I'm gonna go ahead and screenshot it. So now I can start to drag some of the photos over into Canva. And we're gonna go ahead and upload those 2 photos into Canva. And I'm just going to make them smaller because there's going to be a few things going in here. Okay, and like I said, another thing that I really like is that I can link the bag. So all I have to do is copy the link to the bag, and then I can go back into Canva, select the bag picture, hit the 3 dots, hit link, and then paste that link in there, and then now it's linked. So if I want to go to the actual website of where I got that bag, I can do so. All right, so as you can see, we pretty much created an outfit. Everything is also linked as well. So if I expand this, I can again click on the 2-piece set. It's going to ask me if I want to leave Canva. I say yes, and then it pops up right here. And it's just good to have as a reference if you want to go back to the direct link that you were looking at. And that is exactly how I created a mood board of all of my outfits that I will be wearing on vacation. Now, these aren't all my outfits. I am going to be bringing some stuff that is already used and worn, because you know, you have to have a mix of some new and some old. So that's how I like to do it, and that's how I'll be shopping from here on out, so I can start to curate outfits and not just buy clothes. Okay, so that was part 1 of the video. I just wanted to show you guys how I will be shopping from here on out, because I'm tired of spending hundreds of dollars on clothing, and then like I feel like I don't have no outfits, and it's because I'm not shopping for outfits, I'm shopping for clothes. You have to kind of change your perspective when you're shopping. Everything that you just saw on Canva, I actually did order, and I want to try them on for you guys. So this will be the try on part of our video, and you guys are going to be able to see all the outfits that I curated on screen and see if they actually fit and look good. I'm a little thick and voluptuous and curvy, so we about to get it popping, y'all. Let's go ahead and start to try on some outfits. And actually, before we move on to that, let me go ahead and unbox this. I told you guys that this is like a organizer for your outfits. Okay, so I opened it up, and what I'm gonna do now is just unsnatch it at the bottom right here. There's like, what would you call that, safety buckle. All right, so now I'm just gonna go ahead and pull these 2 hooks up, and we'll see what happens. All right, and look at that, y'all. So I'm just gonna go ahead and continue to pull, and it looks like these are all the sections that you can put your clothing in. So once we have the entire outfit on, we'll put it in the selected I guess little parts of the container, and yeah, we'll keep it moving. But I think this is really cute to bring on vacation with you. There's some room on the top here. There's also room on the bottom as well. So let's go ahead and start to pack our clothes. So I'm gonna go ahead and start digging through and trying to separate the articles of clothing, and then we'll put them on.
How you feeling? I hope everybody feel alright. Push it stronger, what you said last night. You was on cloud 9, you was by my side, and that's word to your mother. Bust it down for a brother.
Okay, so it was super easy to just go and organize all of the items, because I used Canva, which I already had, and I can kind of tell what the product is because the bag is see-through, so you can kind of see what the item is. So now I'm just going to go ahead and try on the articles of clothing, and you guys can see what they look like, and we will guess together if this is something that we want to keep or send back. All right, y'all, so I'm trying to back up as far as I can, but here is the airport outfit. And I'll show you guys the shoes in 1 second, but I also have a bag, and I also have a SHEIN, like a bucket hat to wear, but my hair, you can see that we're not going to be doing that right now. I don't like that they don't really match, like the patterns match, but the color doesn't match, but nobody really should be like looking that hard anyways. This is just like to wear the white sleeves if I get cold in the on the plane, but most likely, like, it's summertime, so most likely I'm just going to be walking around carrying it. It's like just an extra jacket, you know, so I'll have this on my sleeve probably. And then like here's my bag. This is just like a nice little cute little airport outfit, and here are the shoes that I'm wearing. They're very comfortable. All right, y'all, so I actually went ahead and changed the necklace because it just wasn't giving. I don't know, something was off. And I added some sunglasses. They're like blue and green. They're so pretty. So I think I like this outfit a lot better, and feeling good, looking good, that's all. So here's the outfit, and I think it looks so much better. Oh, hey y'all, it's giving vacation, friends. So this is the next outfit. Honey, we are curvy and thick and just ready for vacation, friend. Ready for vacation. So here is the outfit. I have my bag. My outfit is see-through, so if I wanted to wear a bra with this, if I wanted to wear a bathing suit underneath of it, like, I can definitely do so. And then here are the shoes, y'all. Trying my best here to get them in the frame, but they're so hard to, I'm just gonna have to see from back here. And then it comes all the way down. I like that. So you can see, and I have on an ankle bracelet.
Snap back like rubber, you could travel the galaxy, never find another lover like me. Ooh yeah, like me. Like me. Ooh yeah, like me. Say that then unless you wanna move along. Come on back, tell me I ain't wrong. Got 4-5 minutes till you end up
Alright y'all, so here's my first bathing suit. I think this is really cute. It looks very flattering on me. Yeah, but this is really cute. I actually have a bucket hat to go along with this, but obviously my hair can't really put on right now, but it's gonna be cute when my hair is done. So I think this is really cute. I love the colors. I love brightness. Like, this is a vibe. This is gonna be like a pool day. We are staying at a resort that has a water park there, so we're gonna be in the water a lot. So yep, this is cute, and I guess I'll have everything linked below that I used, even though I ain't making no commission, because you can't make commission with SHEIN, not that I'm aware of. But if not, if you are, let me know. Please comment below.
Try to get loose, tired of talking, so now you throwing up a deuce. You mad at me and I'm mad at you, so let's work it out and let's make a truce and let's bust a move on the dance floor. Let's groove, bouncing and slide. I know this ain't what you asked for, but you know damn well if you're...
Alright y'all, so here is the next bathing suit. It's actually not my favorite. I don't know if it looks very flattering on me. I tried to like play around with it, play around with like different angles and stuff. So let me show you guys the shoes. The shoes are very pretty. But yeah, so I mean, it's okay. I might wear it. I was trying to like play around with the strings. The strings are really pretty. They have like this stringiness all throughout the bathing suit, which is beautiful. I'm probably just complaining and there's honestly nothing wrong. I don't know. So y'all tell me, how do we look? It's okay, I guess, but yeah. Of course, we're gonna put on some sunglasses like we always do. Bam. I feel like sunglasses just like make everything better.
Ooh, how you feeling? I hope everybody feel like right now. Push it strong than what you said last night. You was on cloud nine, you was by my side. That's word to your mother. Bust it down for a brother. Get loose and snap back like rubber. You can travel the...
Alright y'all, so here is the next outfit. This outfit is super cute. It comes with a bag, same shoes. I can re-wear shoes. It does not matter to me. But this is so cute, y'all. So yes, this is how we are looking. Love it. And then we just have on some jewelry at the top, earrings, blinged out, loving it. I think I'm gonna do a crossbody just so this like stays out the way a little bit more. So this is cute, y'all. This is cute. This is a very chill outfit. This outfit will be worn the evening we get there. So after my airport outfit, we're gonna go to the hotel, freshen up, chill, get dressed, and this is what I will be wearing. Y'all, I always forget the sunglasses. The sunglasses makes everything that much better. Okay, don't they make a big difference? Like I said, this is gonna be a crossbody purse because I ain't got time to be holding it. Okay, you feel me? You feel me?
You never find another lover like me. Ooh, yeah, like me. Like me. Ooh, yeah, like me. Say that then unless you wanna move along. Come on.
Alright y'all, so this is the last outfit, and it's okay. The pants are or the shorts are a little big right in the front area, like the crotch area, but they're fine. Like, they fit my thighs fine, they fit my backside fine. And I like that, like, you know, I can get a little thing in right there, so it's okay. Like, I don't mind them being a little bit baggy. Top is cute, bag is cute, shoes, bida bim, bida bim, bida bim, bida bim. I have red sunglasses coming in from Amazon. They should be here tomorrow, but we'll just put these black ones on for now, just to like spice it up a little bit. So yeah, that's what we are doing. I already have jewelry packed, so I'll probably just repurpose jewelry. And it looks fine. It looks very cute. You know, looks like Mexico.
You ain't wrong, got 4-5 minutes till you end up alone in this world. Yeah, let me spit it like this one time. Got too many bars in a row when I run.
Yo, I forgot to show you guys the luggage. So just to show you, this is how it looks. I'm still going to fill it up with some stuff. There is more space like down here, and there's more space I can fill it in, but when you're done, you just have to, I guess, collapse it all. This is the first time I'm using it. There's a snap right here, so you just have to buckle it in the front and then tighten it up, and that's it. This is how it looks now, and that's what's going to go into your suitcase, and you literally have all your clothes in here ready to go. So I'll have this linked below if you guys want to check it out on Amazon. Y'all, that was so much. Like, I really need to just stick to the hair videos, because anytime I try to do something else, I'm like literally out of breath at how much I needed to change my clothes. And not only that, I was simultaneously recording Instagram content and YouTube content, so I had to keep fixing the camera, the lights, the setting of the scene. It was crazy, that everything that goes into a video. So I really appreciate when you guys watch and like and subscribe and interact with my content, because it's not easy. Like, I'm literally like cannot wait to just go get something to drink. I'm dying. Oh, I needed that as water. So hopefully you guys enjoyed everything you saw today. I went over how I make my fashion mood board on Canva. I really suggest that you guys take my advice so you can save some money and some time. I was able to quickly lay out my outfits because they were already picked out and sorted. So it was really easy. Those are not all the outfits I'm bringing. Those are just the new ones that I purchased. I will continue to pack. I'm leaving in like 3 days. Oh my goodness. And we are headed to Mexico. Me, my boyfriend's mom, and her husband. We're all gonna go and have a good time. So thank you guys so much for watching. If you do enjoy content like this outside of natural hair care, please let me know. I am trying to broaden my horizon outside of natural hair and just do other things that I think you guys might be interested in. So let me know if you like this kind of content so I can keep creating more content just like this. And make sure you guys are subscribed to my channel. What are you doing, friends? Subscribe. All right, y'all, without further ado, I am gonna let you guys go. My name is Aleia. This is As Always Aleia, where we always keep it real. I'll catch y'all in the next one. Deuces.
You ain't wrong, got 4-5 minutes to